Good morning, student. Today's topic is how to develop the Spring project, how to create Spring, and what is the Spring Boot, and how to add Spring Boot project inside the dependencies. Good. Let's check it. What is Spring Doc? Spring Boot documentation. Spring Boot documentation. Or another website, spring.io. These are the Spring Boot websites. Is a official website to how to build Spring Boot projects. These are the Spring Boot overview. Spring Boot makes it easy to create standalone production grid and Spring based application can just run. You can take opinionated view of the Spring platform and third party libraries. Get started minimum fuel. Most Spring Boot application need to minimal Spring configuration. Minimum Spring configuration. Features of Spring Boot project: create a standalone Spring applications, embedded Tomcat, Jetty, or Undertow direct. No need to deploy war files. Means Spring Boot project embedded provide the Tomcat server, Jetty server if you require to you. Provide opinionated starter dependency. Simplify the you build configuration. Inside your project, provide a automatic provide a starter dependency. This starter dependency is simplify the configuration of build. Your project configuration inside your project add more dependencies or more flexibility of your project. Another feature is automatically configure Spring and third-party library whenever possible. If you required runtime, another dependency, that time automatically add your project inside. You require only go to the MEAN Maven repository and copy the link and paste in your pom.xml. Automatically fetch your data or libraries in the server. Absolutely no code generate and no requirement of XML configuration. XML configuration file is no required, but you learn about Spring. Inside the Spring you must configure the application context.xml file. This application context.xml file remove in the Spring Boot. This all application context.xml file inside the configuration. This configuration is a provided by the annotations inside the Spring Boot. Annotations, Spring Framework. These are the framework. Core technologies, testing, data access, Spring MVC, Spring Wave Flux, integration, and these are the supported by languages. Kotlin, Groovy, dynamic languages supported by the Spring. Let's create how to create in Spring Boot project. These are the website Spring Initializer. These are the website to create a Spring project. Start spring.io. These are the website. These are the project Maven project or Gradle Kotlin or Gradle Groovy is the provide the file. Inside the Gradle Groovy, you provide the gradle.kts file to add the external dependencies, and inside the Maven is provide the pom.xml project object module. These are the file XML file provided to add the dependency. These are the language. By default is Java. And these are the Spring Boot version. Which Spring Boot version you use? I'm not change. I'm using the by default 3.3.2. These are the project metadata. Inside the project metadata, you add the your unique name. Like my unique name is com.my my app. Another artifact ID is my app. My project name is my first or my app project, and description is develop the Spring Boot project, and these are the my base package name. Packaging, inside packaging your jar files is jar or wa. You want to change anyone, but my select is by default in jar, and these are the Java version selected in 17. uh, Inside I am add only one dependency is the Spring Web. These are the Spring Web dependency. This dependency add because this dependency support in RESTful APIs, application Spring MVC, and provide the Apache Tomcat. These are the default embedded container. And generate. These are the download. Go to the path. Download C drive download section. Extract. Extract. These are the pom.xml file. Let's open with in Notepad. Inside these are the file metadata, license, versions. These are the all metadata. These are the three parts of file. First part is metadata, another part is dependencies, and third part is plugins. These are the provider three parts of Maven. Inside the dependency, you add the dependencies in repository. First one is web starter and Spring Boot starter test. A web starter is the Spring Web, and these are the by default add. Let's open the project in your IDE. Go to IDE, close all, close the project, close project, right click, import existing Maven project, next, browse, C drive, download my app, select folder, pom.xml is the import, finish. Let's, these are the pom.xml files, and my base package is pom.myapp.myapp. These are the main method, main class. Let's first of all clean the packages. Right click, run as maven build clean package, PACKAGE, clean package, apply and run. Inside project, if your project is build success or build failed, any project you create first time, first of all you uh, run the project or test the project. Test case 1, failure 0, build successfully. My package is, my project is running successfully, and run, right click, run as maven build. Another one, clean spring hyphen boot colon run, apply, run. Running my Tomcat embedded server inside the my project. These are the server start. Let's, my project started in 8080 8080. Inside, uh, lots of student is give the one error. This error is the your application is failed in first time your application failed. Let's check it. Go to import another already exist in my local machine, this project. Go to E drive, spring project demo, uh, add let's add as app, select already exist. Okay, already exist. Another one is, let's check it payment. Inside payment, uh, this dependency I am removing. Which dependency? Let's MySQL connector payment, I think. Right click, run as build clean spring hyphen boot colon run. Apply, run. Let's check it. Project is scanning. Build failure. This error is lots of student gives because failed to configure in data source URL attribute is not specified to embedded data source. This server is lots of student get go to this, right click this, select the this lines, copy, go to the your browser, new tab, open the chat GPT, and paste Spring Boot says uh, in my Spring project occurs some error. Please give me the solution and enter Control V. Paste the error. This is the error. The error message you are according suggests the embedded database class path. No active profiles. And Maven for Maven pom.xml inside the, please add this dependency. Let's read the error. Mention that you want to use embedded database such as H2, HSQL or Derby. You need to ensure that appropriate database driver. Please add this copy. Go to the your form.xml file, dependencies, enter Control V. Control Shift F is the format and Control Save. Control Save to runtime. This error saying form dot. This line is remove and Control Save. I think goes to error. Go to main, right click, run as Maven build, clean spring hyphen boot colon 8080, not 8080, sorry, run, apply and run. These are the running my failure. What is the web server failed to start because port 8080 already in use. Okay, please stop the server, right click, run as Maven build, clean spring hyphen boot colon 8080. sorry, colon, run, apply, run, running the my project, scanning projects inside the all files. Failure. Why failure? Read. No plugins found for Spring Boot in the current project, or to the full stack trace of the errors. Rerun the Maven. I think rerun Maven inside the stack trace. Like this is double dependency. I think remove, control save. Maven dependency. First of all, clean the package. Right click, Maven build, clean package, apply and run. You don't hesitate to occur the errors in your project. Please read the all errors first of all and go to ChatGPT like this. Build successfully. Add Maven files. Add successfully. Right click, run as Maven build, clean spring hyphen boot colon run. Apply and run. Let's start my project. These are the Tomcat started on port 8080. Student, don't hesitate to occur in the error inside your project. Let's I am changing some. Let's create a new package like controller, like this controller com dot app dot com dot my app dot controller. Finish. Inside create some class, um, controller. Finish. Not changes inside my project, not a run. Control save, not a running my project because manually run. That's why form dot my app, not a app. This is my app. To inside the add some external dependencies. How to add in your pom.xml external dependencies you add like these are the dependencies: security, rest, starter, theme leaf, start, extra. One dependencies adding in my project. Shortcut control D is the cut the line and save. But my project is not a rerun because one dependency is the provider spring MUN repository. This repository is DevTools. Go to mvnrepository.com. Please search DevTools. DevTools is a one repository. It is the support to the rerun your project whenever you changes in your pom.xml or in your project. This dependency is the to support to the rerun and build your production or support faster development of your project. Go to pom.xml dependencies, click paste, control shift F, format the project, remove the versions because your spring project, your spring boot starter parent, this version automatically fetch is whenever which required your versions is not mentioned, the in your pom.xml file is version. Control D, cut, control save the your pom.xml file inside the DevTools and go to another dependencies add. Dependencies name is like Lombok, LOMBOK, Lombok. This dependency is support to the annotations. All files latest version, all files, all Spring XML code write in the annotation inside annotations. These annotations provided by the in your Lombok dependencies. Control Shift F, format file. Control save. Please remove version. Control save to add the dependencies. These are the main dependencies. Inside the add dependencies, Spring Starter, Spring Boot Starter, uh, Hikari CP also database is like data source driver manager data source like production level applications that time use the Hikari CP. I think I am adding Hikari. Where is data Hikari data GPA Spring Boot uh, Spring Boot Starter theme leaf Spring theme leaf. I think remove the dependencies in your in my pom.xml. Another is Spring Data, Spring Boot Starter. These are the logs, theme leaf. Where is theme leaf? Theme leaf dependency. These are the theme leaf dependency. It is used to support HTML rewrite in your project. Another one is H2 database. I am adding H2 database in H2 database. Lombok. These are the last one is Lombok. This is your some changes right and control D, control yes, save. Inside my com dot controller map, I think remove this payment payment control yes. My inside these are my beans to create the payment related. email, name, card type. Card type means Visa, Rupee or Mastercard. Which card you are use? Payment method UPI, net banking, amount. Let's I am to string method override is delete, control save or control alt shift yes. Open the direct getter setters. No getters, already getter setter. Alt shift yes to string. Select all by default. Control save. Control save. Inside add dev tools. Dev tools. Add. Right click. Run as. Build. Clean. Package. Apply and run. Your apply package and run. What is the error? Snapshot theme uh is he's saying running build successfully finish the life cycle phase clean is the spelling miss not another write the correct spelling clean 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 package packaje clean package apply and run another I think another uh, error is occurring I think in runtime because already running port 8080 I think Shikari warrior these are the running in files or classes in background build successfully build successfully these are the snapshot.jar because snapshot means is already running in the current state classes or jar files. So thank you friends today's learn in how to build spring boot project how to manually add dependencies and how to solve error in your project how to solve error in your project to thank you saying next part is how to develop the REST controller or REST APIs to next part. Thank you so much.